In Wales, we're proud of our history. We're passionate about our football. Cardiff, a vibrant capital, the heart of our nation. We love being at the heart of the celebration, and we always put on a show. Sport is the lifeblood of our nation and brings the whole country together.
The world was watching and Wales delivered.
The Millennium Stadium, right at the heart of the city. Football is inspiring the next generation.
Just found goal! Koshek must be! And has scored a sensational goal!
75,000 fans, an electric atmosphere whether the roof is open or closed.
Giggs in full flow. Simon Davis, what a start for Wales! Bellamy, it's 2-1! Hughes, brilliant! Great jump, Ryan Rush! Yes! Giggs that had good rebound! Ryan Giggs! Bale again. 2 minutes to go. Bale shoots! Oh, what a goal! Bale! What a fantastic strike! And Wales are right back, thanks to their man in a million, Gareth Bale.
The Millennium Stadium, Cardiff, Wales. The heart of the celebration.